It's the wedding season again, and we all know what happens at weddings. Lots of foods, endless buffet lines, multiple dishes, and then later that night, bloating, acidity, sugar crash, fatigue, and guilt. Today, I will tell you exactly how to eat rice, roti, pulao, biryani, and desserts at weddings without spiking your insulin. These habits are based on what David Sinclair teaches, and when you apply them, even in a full Pakistani or Indian wedding buffet, your insulin spike can drop by 30 to 70%. Yes, you can enjoy wedding food without fear. Welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood from Healing Hijama Clinic. In this video, I am going to show you the 7 most powerful habits and let you enjoy wedding food while keeping your hormones, digestion and blood sugar completely under control. At weddings, the problem is not the food, it's the order in which we eat it. Most people walk in and immediately fill their plate with biryani, naan, korma, kebab, drinks and sweets. No vegetables, no fiber, no healthy fats, and no proteins before that. This causes a massive insulin spike, leading to bloating, acidity, extreme tiredness, cravings, fat storage, hormonal imbalance, and a lot more. Sinclair says eating carbs first is the biggest mistake. The most powerful hack for the weddings is eat carbs last. The ideal order is first eat vegetables or salad, then healthy fats, and then proteins, and last of all carbs, rice, roti, potatoes, and desserts, etc. Wedding buffets always have a salad section. Use it wisely. A small portion of salad acts like a natural barrier in your stomach, and this slows down the digestion and sugar absorption, lowering your spike dramatically. When you eat biryani or naan after salad and protein, your insulin spike drops by 30 to 70%. Now let me tell you my favorite wedding hack. In the purse that you're gonna take to the wedding, put a bottle of apple cider vinegar with mother. And I can guarantee you the best apple cider vinegar is our homemade apple cider vinegar because it is toxin free, preservative free, no chemicals in it, and it has a lot of mother of vinegar, which shows that it is undiluted. Not even a drop of water is added to this vinegar. This is the strongest, most natural vinegar in the world. Just 1 tablespoon before eating carbs can reduce your glucose spike by 20 to 30%. What you should do is keep a small 500 ml travel bottle in your bag. Before your meal, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with mother with some water. Sip it 5 to 10 minutes before eating the wedding food. This single habit wipes out a significant portion of the spike and reduces the bloating, improves digestion, and gives you more energy throughout the event. In Pakistan and India, the easiest and healthiest fat available is desi ghee. Just 1 teaspoon of desi ghee before eating your carbs slows gastric emptying and stabilizes your blood sugar. You can add a small spoon to your soup, mix it with a bite of your sabzi, or carry it in a tiny travel container of desi ghee with you. This one habit makes your body handle wedding carbs far more gracefully. Wedding menus always have protein options. Chicken tikka, fish, kebab, malai boti, chicken saji, or even lentils. Take just a few bites of protein before eating rice or roti. This alone is enough to flatten your sugar curve. So if you watched the video till this point, it means either you are battling with diabetes or you are serious about reducing weight. In either case, you will be interested to know that we have a lot of video recipes and a lot of information on both of these topics. So do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it so you are notified as soon as we upload all these wonderful videos. When you finally reach the carbs, keep the portion small. 2 tablespoons of biryani, a few bites of naan, or a small serving of pulao. When carbs enter the stomach after salad, ghee and protein, your insulin response becomes much more controlled. You can still enjoy your favorite foods just in the right sequence. After you're done eating, walk around the wedding lawn for 5 to 6 minutes or dance a little or take a short walk when you reach home. Movement allows your muscles to absorb the glucose without insulin, stabilizing your blood sugar instantly. So your plate should ideally look like 50% salad and vegetables, 25% proteins and 25% carbs. That is to say, if you have 2 plates, One full plate should be full of salads and vegetables. And then the other plate, half of it should be proteins like tikka, kebab, and fish, etc. And half of it should be carbs like naan, biryani, rice, etc. So the wedding food should be enjoyed, it should not be feared. And if you follow these 7 habits, especially the carbs last rule and the apple cider vinegar trick, you can go to any wedding, enjoy every dish and still protect your hormones, your gut and your metabolism. So let me know in the comment section below which of these 7 tricks did you like and which one will you use in your next wedding. Take care, enjoy your weddings. Till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.